Welcome back. Breaking news this morning. A package on its way to Austin, Texas, blew up early this morning at a FedEx facility near San Antonio. Let's get to Cheryl Casone. She's got the details right now.
Yeah, we're getting some new details, Maria. Good morning. This happening just in the last hour. Then the blast occurred just after midnight Texas time at a FedEx ground distribution facility northeast of San Antonio. But remember, this is near Austin. One person was injured. Now, police say the package was on its way to Austin. ATF and FBI agents are on the scene right now, along with San Antonio police, and a SWAT team and the bomb squad is there. All of this, of course, is happening right now. Meanwhile, police in Austin now believe that the 4 bombs that have rocked that city are connected, and they are on the hunt for a sophisticated serial bomber. Investigators say Sunday night's blast was triggered by a nearly invisible tripwire, which shows a higher level of sophistication than they have seen before in the 3 earlier package bombs that went off. It also is suggesting that this violence is now random. Now, amid all of this, the PGA Tour is holding a tournament in Austin later this week. Officials are trying to ease security concerns. The PGA is saying that the safety of the players and the fans a top priority. Officials are working closely with law enforcement for that tournament.